How's it? Wait, that's one baby. Girl, what are you doing in the road? Get out the road. Going, you thirsty? I know you don't want into that nasty swamp water back there. Hey girl, you're all wet. Hey boy, you're wet too. At the same time, got these pipes breaking. Here. Over here. There you go. Wait a minute. Hold on. There's more. Huh? I guess you got the chicken. Hold on. There you go. Aw, y'all make happy plate. No, it's always good to see y'all. There's water right there. Good girl. Come on, come drink some. We're gonna name you Bud. Bud and Auntie.